In this video, we'll see how we can get a scatter plot and how to get a correlation coefficient. So the data set we're going to use is this 10 observations, and we have two variables. One is the educational level that are measured in years. And then we also have the monthly income that are measured in thousands of dollars. So first we want to find out how these two variables are related. And first we'll use a scatter plot to visually inspect the relationship between the two variables. So to get the scatter plot, we'll just select these two columns of data and then go to Insert, and then go to Scatter Plot and use this one. And so this is the scatter plot for our data. So let me add the axis titles. So for the y-axis, these are the monthly income that are measured in thousands of dollars. And on the x-axis is the educational level or years of education. I'm going to remove this one. So if you check the scatter plot, you can see that there's the relationship is positively and linearly related. That means that with more years of education, there's tend to have the monthly income tend to increase. So to get the correlation coefficient between these two variables, we just use the function that's a correlation function to find the correlation coefficient. So I'm using here, use this small r to represent the correlation coefficient, and then use equal sign and just type a correl. And then we need two arrays of data. So that will be our education data, and separate this by comma, and then the income data. So then enter. And we get a correlation that is, we can round this to 2 decimal points after the 2 digits after decimal point. And so that's a correlation between education level and monthly income. So it is a positive and also a large correlation. So this video shows how we get a scatter plot and then a correlation coefficient. Thank you for watching it.